We're standing in the crypt of the Grand Masters. It lies beneath the conventual church of the Knights of Malta. It was hewn out of the rocks in 1577. It lies directly beneath the main altar, and in it were laid to rest the first 12 Grand Masters during their sojourn in Malta. The first tomb that we find here is of Grand Master Fra Philippe de Villiers de l'Isle Adam. He reigned between 1521 and 1534. He is best known for his prudence and piety. He lies in the stone sarcophagus made out of one piece of stone, and it is carried by two lions which are a symbol of courage. On top is a lid of marble that shows the Grand Master lying in prayer. It is exquisitely carved, and its style makes it attributable to the famous Cagini workshop. The Grand Master is dressed in his monk's robe, with the 8-pointed cross on his left shoulder. He folds his arms in prayer on his sword, and he waits here for the day of the Last Judgment.